So here are some of the changes I'm making to the Evolve D theme. As you can see, I just kind of randomly threw up some pictures I had sitting on my computer. They happen to be of my backyard and a couple of hobbies. And as you can see, as we're sitting here on the login page, this is part of the Evolve D theme. This is the custom login page. So when users first come to your Moodle site, this is what they will see. We want them to be focused on logging in and any announcements that you might have here down at the bottom. But as you can see, there is a nice little kind of a cycling of images happening, and you can make the screen smaller, bigger, larger. It just kind of auto sizes for you. And so that's what it looks like. And here's what some of the other improvements that we've made. When you log in, you can have the announcements show here, or you can hide them once you log in. But you'll notice that these custom icons right here at the top, this is the new Evolve D homepage. It's streamlined. It's meant to quickly get people in and find what they need. So you can see here we have a calendar icon, the home button, and these are what's new in this version is these are all Font Awesome icons. So you can go in and customize these, and I'll show you on the back end how you can do that. So here's my home page. You'll also notice that up at the top we have some styled breadcrumbs. So here's some different breadcrumbs, what they look like as you're going through the course. Now, the other thing to take note of is here's where the content is. This is where this is where the students are all looking. We moved the editing button down here from up in the corner. We moved it down into where the actual content is, so a teacher can very quickly come in and everything that they're looking for is right here in the main part of the screen. So we did that. We also put the title. Instead of having it floating up in the middle, we moved the title down here. And so now when you upload your custom logo, what used to happen is the logo would replace this text. And so you had to rely on your breadcrumbs as to where you were at in Moodle. So to fix that problem, because we wanted to know what course we were in, but we also wanted the ability to add a logo. So if you wanted to put your school district or whatever into the theme, so we did that. I put the logo in the upper right. It's along with the breadcrumbs. It's not very distracting. It's just there so that people can feel comfortable that they're on the proper website. So that's how we changed the handling of the course logo, the theme logo. We retained the My Courses drop down, and then all your dashboard and messages and private files and all that stuff is now handled by Moodle in 2.8. So let's take a look in the theme settings. So when you apply and set up the Evolve D theme, we have the general settings. So you have your Google Fonts, your logo upload, your custom CSS, you have an alert, a snow alert, the footer text that can happen, that shows up way at the bottom. That's on the general settings page. Moving over to the theme colors, here you can pick text colors, link colors, content background, secondary background. You can upload an image if you want to use an image as the background, and you can make that image full screen. What's nice about that is if you use the same image here as you do on the login, it'll appear seamless for the end user. Then we have the custom menu where you can turn on or off the My Course dropdown. Okay. Here are the marketing spots, so you can pick the background color, you can toggle when these appear in the site, and then you could put in a title, an icon, some content, link text, link URL, and a link target. New page, current page, that kind of thing. And what we've made changes to in this version is the front page options. So to get what I was showing you with the full screen images fading in and out, you have to turn on the custom front page. So for instance, if I turn off the custom front page, this theme defaults back to exactly what you would get when you're looking at the more theme or the default theme. As you can see when I open it up, this is what a typical home page might look like. And you set all of those parameters in the front page options with you can show courses, you can show search boxes, all that kind of stuff. But when you activate the custom front page, I'll just scroll down and click Save Changes. Instead of seeing the typical Moodle front page, we've set up a custom, highly customized page that allows you to add up to 8 icons across the top, all from the back end. You can quickly search for courses to enroll. We want the home page to be as simple as possible so that when the user reaches the home page, they authenticate, they get to here, and now it's a matter of them just getting to their content. So whether they're picking a course to go into or checking their calendar for due dates, it's all right here on the home page. There's no confusion. It's very minimal. So that's the custom homepage. Now, so as you can see right here, we have background 1 of 4. So if you're going to use the rotating background images, you would drop in your images right here. Here is your front page text that you see, and then here are the icons. So you can use any of your Font Awesome icons. You simply copy the icon that you want to use. You can replace the home page with the camera retro icon, as you can see here. I'm just going to click Save Changes and we'll hop over to the home page, refresh here. And as you can see, now you have a camera for the home button. Okay, so these are your front page custom icons. You pick the icon, you can determine what the text says, and then you can add in the link URL. And you can, as you can see as I'm scrolling down here, there are 8 spots that you can add icons into. You don't have to use all of them. However, in order for the slideshow to work, you do have to upload 4 different photos. And if you delete these, so for instance, if I delete these, I'll just go ahead and delete these. So if you don't upload any photos here, it will default just how it is currently. You can just set a single image, and that single image will appear full screen when you are logged out. So now let me go ahead and log out, and as you can see, we have this image here, and it's just a single image. So I'm still working out a few little bugs. I can see right now it's not actually expanding to go full screen, so I will take a look at that and get that fixed, which is why I'm just sharing this now as a demo.